Building a productivity-focused Windows layout a desktop can either help you work or quietly interrupt you all day. The difference is layout, and it's worth designing on purpose. Start with virtual desktops. Press Windows key plus Control plus D to create one, and keep them separated by context. One for work, one for communication, one for everything personal. Switching takes a single keystroke and your attention follows. Next, learn Snap layouts. Hover over the Maximize button on any window and Windows offers arrangements for 2, 3, or 4 windows. On a widescreen monitor, 3 columns is transformative. Then trim distractions. Turn off notification banners for everything except calls and calendar. Under Settings, System, Notifications. Pin only your 6 most used applications to the taskbar in a fixed order, so muscle memory does the work. Put your active project folder into quick access, and choose a wallpaper that's calm rather than interesting. The goal is a workspace you eventually stop noticing.